Hi, I'm Blanca and I'm the artist behind Happy Dazzle, and today we're gonna unbox some new stickers from Sticker Mule. They had a really good offer and I wanted to try some new designs. So I'm gonna compare with my print at home stickers, the ones I do on vinyl. I have on gloss vinyl, matte vinyl, and also with holographic effect. So I'm gonna compare them all and see how they look. I've done stickers with them some time ago and they were great. I have done the holographic ones too that look really different from the handmade ones. But this is the first time I print outside the Libertarian collection, so I was so excited. And right now I can see they look so pretty. The color look a bit different than the one from my printer, but that's normal. They never look the same. And I really like them. For some reason, maybe it was me, but I don't think so. The no step on snake has a white border. That's the normal thing, and the other ones doesn't have them. Not sure why. I may ask what happened. Maybe it was my file, but I'm not sure. I don't remember if there were a difference between them, but they look so cute. They are 3 inches on the biggest side and mine usually are 4 inches. That's why I try a new design on the command type kit, so the text was bigger and could be seen easily. And they look really pretty. The quality is really good. They are waterproof. But now I'm so excited because I found a vinyl that I can print at home that it's waterproof too. So yeah, they are so cute. I really love them, and I'm going to show you mine so you can compare. This is my new vinyl and the difference on the size and the design. Sticker Moves one are a bit more gloss, but this one doesn't have the holographic effect yet. This is the Sticker Mule Holo, and this is mine. It's really different effect. Mine is like little speckles on top, and this is my gloss normal vinyl stickers. So I hope you like them. You can find me here on BitChute, Rumble, Odyssey and Minds, and of course at happydazzle.net. Don't forget to follow for more art related videos, unboxing, speed paints or paint with me. I hope you find this useful. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.